Hello students, today we are going to read about the next part of the chapter number 16, light. In this we are going to read about how we can make a kaleidoscope and about the human eye also. First of all, we must know what is a kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope is a device based on the principle of multiple reflections. It consists of mirrors inclined to each other. The mirrors form multiple images of objects in front of them. This creates beautiful patterns which change when the kaleidoscope is rotated or shaken. Designers of wallpaper, fabrics, and artists use kaleidoscopes to get ideas for new patterns. Kaleidoscope works on the principle of multiple images. To make a kaleidoscope, we need 3 equal size mirror strips, a sellotape, some colored glass pieces, a sheet of stiff paper, a sheet of gift paper, and a cardboard. What you have to do first of all, fix 3 equal size mirror strips together with a sellotape to form a triangular tube with their shiny sides facing inwards. Now cover one end of the triangular tube with a cardboard or a transparent plastic pouch. Fix it firmly with the sellotape. Now put in the colored glass pieces and cover the other end of the tube with the stiff paper and make a peephole at its center. Cover the curved portion of the tube with gift wrapping colored paper. The kaleidoscope is ready. Now when you look through the hole, you can see beautiful patterns. When you rotate the tube slowly, you can see the changing beautiful patterns. The beautiful patterns that we see in a kaleidoscope are due to multiple reflection or multiple images. Now we will read about the structure of a human eye. The human eye is a light sensitive organ which enables us to see the beautiful world around us. The eyelids act as the shutter of the eyes and protect them from the shocks, injuries, and bright light. When we look at our eyes in the mirror, we can see that on the outside the eye has an eyeball and there is a white plate all around it. The eyeball is almost like a spherical ball. It has a diameter of about 2.5 centimeter. Here in this slide you can see that there are so many parts of an eye. For example, ciliary muscles, lens, cornea, iris, optic nerves, retina, etc. The ciliary muscles are the muscles which hold eye lens in the proper place. The focal length of the eye lens can be changed with the help of the ciliary muscles according to the distance of the object in front of the eye. Now the cornea. The sclera layer continues in the front of the eyes as cornea. It is the transparent white portion of the eye which covers the transparent bulge on the surface of the eyeball. It allows the light to enter into the eyeball. Now iris and pupil. Behind the cornea is the iris. It lends colors to the eye. The amount of pigmentation in the iris gives color to the eyes. When the pigmentation is the highest, the iris is black or brown in color. When the pigmentation is least, the iris is blue in color. The iris has a central circular aperture called the pupil. Optic nerve consists of about 1 million separate nerve fibers that connect the rods and cones of the retina to the brain. Its function is to carry optical messages in the form of electric signal to the brain. Beside this, the space between retina and lens is filled with the fluid called vitreous fluid. It keeps the eye wet. It is mainly composed of water. Now defects of vision and their correction. Sometimes the eye may gradually lose its power of accommodation. In such conditions, the person cannot see the objects clearly and comfortably. She feels strains in the eye. The vision becomes blurred due to the defects of the eye. The common defects of the eye are as follows. First is nearsightedness or myopia. and the second is far-sightedness or hypermetropia. These two diseases can be corrected with the help of spectacles. One more disease which is known as cataract, it is also there. It is a leading cause of blindness among the adults of 45 years of age and older. The eye lens becomes cloudy. Because of this cloudiness, light rays do not pass easily through the lens to focus on the retina. Now about visually challenged or blind people. The people who cannot see are called visually challenged or blind. Blindness can be of two types, curable and incurable. In case of curable blindness, either the cornea or the eye lens becomes opaque due to some disease or defects. If the crystalline lens becomes opaque, it is removed surgically and replaced by an artificial lens. And if the cornea becomes opaque, it is removed surgically and its place a healthy donated cornea from the eye of a donor is grafted. Now, technological aid for the visually challenged people. Braille system is the most important technological aid for the blind people. Visually challenged people can read books printed in Braille. Braille is a system of representing characters by raised dots. Combination of raised dots in a 6-dot cell make up different characters. As you see on your screen, the characters are read by touching them with fingers. This system was invented by Louis Braille. Louis Braille lost his sight when he was a child. Books and periodicals are available in Braille for the visually challenged people. Now about some well-known personalities who were visually challenged. First of all, Helen Keller. Helen Keller was the world-famous speaker and author. At about the age of 2 years, she became blind and deaf following an illness. But she fought with that illness and became a famous personality of the world. Beside Helen Keller, John Milton, who was a very famous English poet, became blind at the age of 43. In this list, we should also remember Galileo, who was a famous mathematician, physicist, and philosopher. Responsible for the scientific revolution, his eyes deteriorated at the age of 68. In this list, we should also remember Louis Braille, who invented and designed Braille writing, which enables blind people to read text. He became blind after he accidentally stabbed himself in the eyes with his father's awl. Okay students, this finishes your chapter number 16. We will read the next chapter, chapter number 17, in the next video.